Select the type tool, the font I'm using is Anton, the size 500 and the color white. Now left click and now type your text. Select the move tool, center your text. And now duplicate the text layer, right click, duplicate layer. And now I'm going to hide the upper one, select the bottom one, right click, select blending options. And now for this one I'm going to uncheck the red channel here, the R, left click. So here it is, and now press OK. Select the top one, right click, blending options. And now this time I'm going to uncheck the green channel, this one here, left click. And now press OK. So here you can see anything. So if I have this one, so it is pink. Select the move tool, left click on the canvas, and now just use the right arrow key on your keyboard to move the text to the right. So here like this. And now right click on top layer, merge down. So we have one layer. Select the rectangle select tool. Make sure in the settings here it is unite, and now just create selections. Control X to cut and then Control V to paste. Now I'm going to hide it. Let's select the glitch text again, and now I'm just going to create another selection with the rectangle select tool. The same settings. Control X and then Control V. And now let's reveal all the layers. Select the move tool. So I'm going to select this layer here. Left click on the canvas and then just use the left arrow key on your keyboard to move your layer to the left. So like this. So here it is. Select the top layer. Left click and then just use the right arrow key on your keyboard to move the layer to the right. And now select the top layer. Hold the shift key and then left click here on the bottom text layer, right click, merge layers. And now duplicate the layer, right click, duplicate layer. Select the bottom layer, go to filter, distort, and then select wave. And now I'm just going to play with the settings here. So I'm going to use these settings here, so just press OK. And now I'm just going to reduce a little bit the opacity.